Hey, Jeff and Sunny Maui again. I'm not at the shop or at my house. I am up the hill on some trails, looking down. Dead center there is the Sheraton, and then you pan to the left and it's why am I not seeing what I'm seeing? It ends at the Hyatt. No, an hour to get up here, probably like 15 minutes to get home because it's mostly downhill. Here we go. Oh, by the way, those hotels are actually closed right now because of the coronavirus thing. They laid everybody off, closed them down. The governor said nobody comes to visit without quarantining for 14 days. That's including people that live here. Like if you were in the mainland when the whole thing started and you flew back, you're supposed to self-quarantine for 14 days. Anyway, that's the road that I did not go up because they've got this ridge to reef thing and they've planted all these little baby trees to keep the crappy dirt from washing off. All this dirt used to be cane fields, and so you can imagine all the chemicals that are in the dirt. And I'm not like a greenie or anything, but chemicals that work on plants in the dirt are not the same chemicals that you want in the ocean because it kills the reef. So that's why they call it bridge to reef, and please don't ride right there. So I couldn't ride up that road. I had to ride up the road right there, which isn't really a road, as you could see. Now's the easy part. This road's actually big enough for a truck. Trucks do go up here. The water company has to get up here. The cable company has to get up here. The electric company has to get up here. But obviously there's no houses or anything up here. Now you know why it's so dirty at the shop. Those of you that are my friends in IT and I talk about how dirty it is. Because look at this dirt. And you can probably hear the wind over my speaker. You know, once the sugar mill shut down, they stopped watering the fields. So now it's just a big dust bowl. Ah, fuck. That wasn't wet when I came through. It's never been wet right there before. This will just get wet. Yeah, got wet. And to my right over here, this is an irrigation ditch that is only partially maintained. Obviously, it used to supply all the cane fields. There's valves that they open up, like little mini dams that'll come down and water the coffee farms. And I guess, like, here's one right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then obviously there's the coffee farms all nice and green. And here's my road. I was actually hoping to find one of you guys to tell you about that big leak right there, yeah? Oh, okay, cool. And back in civilization. I live in this neighborhood over here, and I'm going to end the video right now.